Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and today I am here to share week 30 for hashtag Deck the Year 2025 hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below. Go check her out, guys. She does all kinds of other crafting other than Deck the Year. So she is fun to watch. So today I'm here to share my timesheet or time card with you all. And I turned it into a pocket for journals or for tucks. But I didn't know what else to create with the long time card other than to try and create something else. And I had this tag in my stash. My friend Nada sent these to me when she was in Puerto Rico, and I wanted to use them, and I made this little pocket. So in the background, I just layered, just like in my last video, I layered some pattern paper. Here's some lace from the Dollar Tree, some more of that paper. I punched out a little, I don't know what you call it, a little peekaboo and window into my pocket. I was just playing around, guys, and I thought, oh, let me find I wanted a 2-inch punch, but I think this is an 1.25 inches, maybe, no, maybe 1 3/4 inches. It is an 1 7/8 inches, so pretty close to 2 inches. I added some washi tape. I glued it and then I added washi tape because I wasn't confident in the stability. I added more paper and this word die that that was cut out. I think it's some kind of pattern paper. Anyway, and then I added a bow and some lace to this tag. And yeah, I'm trying to find other ways to create with these time cards. And yeah, the only thing I can think of was a pocket. I was thinking about something else and I have to try it out first and see if it will work, but we'll see. So this is my project for Deck the Year. I want to thank Penny for hosting this awesome collaboration, and go and check out everybody's videos, guys. They are very creative and a very awesome crafter. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.